Hello guys, here again, 16 here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to code in C# in Visual Studio. Now, in this episode we're going to be doing something slightly different to do with maths. Now, a lot of people in schools at the moment, definitely in my school, because I'm doing GCSE next year. I'm in year 8, England, so work that out if you're American. I'm going to be starting my GCSE next year, and many people have been let down by why they can't do computer science, which is basically programming like this, because of their maths level. Now, maths is included quite a lot in this. I didn't understand it at first neither, so just press new project, console application, make sure that's selected, and make this calculations. Calculations and variables. I'm going to edit something here. There we go. YouTube. Yeah. Oh, I can't do that. Okay. I'll just do and there we go. Just load it up. Basically, there's a lot of algebra that I'm going to do in this. Now, if you're doing GCSE for your school thing and you're wanting to do this and you've been let down because of your maths level, nothing that I can do about that really. You'll just have to boost up your maths level. If you're wanting to do this for your GCSE but you're not quite near there yet, make sure. Well, if you want to do this for GCSE, make sure that your maths level is as high as possible. So I know I've cut out a little bit there, I'm very sorry, it's put a lot of pressure on me, but I'll just figure out how to do it. I'm going to cut out the part that I've just done beforehand, because it's really just like napped it. So by napped I mean broken it, it's just my accent, sorry. So we need an int called x, and we need an int called y. And then we need to value these, like make them a value. So we need to do x equals 7, and then y equals 7. No, not 7. X plus 3. So then that should work. So then console.writeLine y, because we need to write line y, not x, because x is only the value for y to put into y. So then we need to do console as always. Readline. There we go. So now basically the int x is basically going to x, the int y is basically going to y. Now x's value is 7, so it's basically, this line here is basically saying that x is, the value 7 is named as x now. So then it's y equals, so y is x, otherwise known as 7, so 7 plus 3, we want to say 10. So if we say 10 in this, it works. 10, yay, it works. Now, what we can do, let's think. I'll just stop a minute so that I can think. This might work, but might not. I'll show you that later. But I'm just going to comment out this for now. We've all seen that if you've watched my previous stuff. And we're going to make this equal to 7. And we are going to make this equal to x plus 3. So then if we play it, we should get the same amount as 10. Yep, there we see 10. So it's really just quite quickly. Another thing that we could do, I'm just going to take this back. We can run it on the same line, because that is basically saying end this part, and then the semicolons is basically just saying stop what you're doing, stop right there, and then go on to the next part. So we should get exactly the same result. 10, yeah, everything works really. You could really, what I've done here is I've really just tested a ton of things, made sure everything works. That's what I've done, because I'll show you my folder. I'll just go into my tests. At the moment, all I've done is my name, but I have done a lot more. I've done a lot more than what you may think by myself. So I basically, after less than a week of learning C#, I know how to do basic code really. So yeah, this is quite good. I'm just trying to think of something else that I could do. Yep, I can't think of anything else that we can do, so I think I'm going to leave it there, or should I give you a nice little walkthrough about everything? Basically, we don't really need this, we don't really need that, you know, but basically if we want to like hand this over to other people so that everyone can like see that it says 10 maybe, obviously we don't really need to do that, but let's say you want to give a project to someone else, yeah, going up. This is just the debug. Debug basically means that this is the developer's version. So now if you're wanting to give it to other people, you'll want to go press down on the down arrow next to debug, and then press down on release. Now, basically, when we play this, it'll start building the release version. Stop debugging. So then, once we've done that, if we open up our folder and go in here and go into the bin, and we will have a release. Now, if we go into the debug, you'll see that in a second they will look quite similar, but if you're wanting to run this, don't click on anything else unless you know what you're doing. Just click on the top one and it will run our piece of code. Don't move anything, don't do anything really. So yeah, I'm just going to end this video here because I honestly don't know what I'm going to do with you guys next. I need to learn a little bit more of C#. So if this has helped you at all, and you have enjoyed it, please like, comment, subscribe, and watch more of these tutorial videos, and I will see you later. Bye!